So Goa is on, and this is Terminal T3, Delhi AirAsia Airport. First day of our Goa tour was mainly travel from Delhi to Goa and finally check-in at Bogmallo beach. This was our first visit to any beach, so it was amazing, and we spent our rest of day on the beach and nothing much. It was very pleasing to lay over the beach and sit together in very peaceful environment. This beach was very small, so mostly free, and we enjoyed photography with high water waves there. We have 6 days tour and are excited to explore more of Goa. We have complete Goa tour series of 6 days. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.